Universal Mothers Organization UMO has demanded a crackdown against Jin Kuki narco-terrorists in Jiribam district by sending additional forces in the district. UMO President D.H. Sorojini said the organization condemned the recent incident of IED blast in Lamtai Kuno under Boro Bekra subdivision on March 28, triggered by Jin Kuki narco-terrorists. She urged both the state and center to apprehend the perpetrators and punish them according to law of the land. Sorojini said Kukijin narco-terrorists who are deliberately disturbing peaceful coexistence of different communities must be uprooted from the state. The UMO president further said effective search operations should be carried out against armed miscreants in the hills like it has been doing in the valley. The UMO is fully prepared to confront eventualities against Meiteis community residing in Jiribam district. She appealed to all the CSOs functioning in the district to support UMO at any given time.
Micham Mianda no my captain ba bomb langsimba to owning the ba dukan may chapa kopata holiba I have said India Gormena Amadi State Gormena election gi mamanga atuba matam the Warokin for Katoni. Lamtai Kunoda I hear my post Hadin Gadoni. Karigi jawab adugumba terrorist ndo komring operation tawraga phadribano anagi thawin sino adugumba jaga border oribada ahema post thamdraga tampak lamdana moi thare iba gari achauba no mai chamdana bado karigi thamiba Jiribam boro begar so ama thongadawni adu madada thorak ba phata dai chapunaba ite gormena amari India gormena pugadawni Hauji bot le pagi MP le pagi lang na riba kaya wase malam chade